In the last video, we have discussed about the double bottom pattern, which is look like W and which is a sign of bullishness in the market. Now we are going to see the exact opposite pattern, which is look like M, which is also called as double top pattern. Why it is called as double top pattern? Because it just look like double tops, which just look like M pattern, and which is the sign of bearishness in the market. Okay, bearishness in the market. Now what this pattern does, whenever we can see this type of pattern, it represent the selling in the market. If you see the syntax here, moreover we can see the double top pattern at the top level or at the resistance level, just like this one only. Whenever we can see the double top pattern plus rejection from the resistance level, then it's a confirmed trade, or with the confirmation trade. We can trade with the confirmation. Now if you observe here, market move upside, face resistance at first time, move downside because someone sold quantity here. Again market move upside, again face resistance. Now this time resistance will be more powerful, so that it broke the support or it break the neckline and it will move downside. Again same, we can trade at this same logic, whatever we logic followed for the double bottom pattern. Let's take an initial examples here with our simple dashboards. Now if you observe, this is the resistance zone. My first time market will face resistance here, it will move down, it will face resistance here. So most of the people, buyers are trapping here, but because most of the people will try buy here, but because of its resistance zone, if market move downside and break this one, that means we need to make an entry at this swing, right? At this swing. So your entry point should be here and your stop loss should be above the resistance area. Now again another approach is, this is the resistance, market face the resistance, break this one, wait for the retest and break down, or wait for the retest or at least some swing created by market and then enter. That is the confirmed trade. As I am always saying, because of I am very comfortable with this type of swing, I will make entry at this one, because I know some resistance or strong resistance by using open interest data or just by past history. For example, the round figure level is 40,000 are here, and if I check the double bottom pattern here, that means high chances that I can make an entry here. But as a beginner, I am not suggesting you to make an entry at the neckline breakout. No, what you need to do, once you find out the double bottom pattern, just wait for one pullback. At the pullback, and again if it fall with some price action, then make an entry here and put stop loss above this swing or above this swing. That's the whole summary of the double top pattern. Hope you got what is the double top pattern. Just look like this one. What you need to do, after breakout, after retest, I will make an entry at this position, and this is the very safe entry. I will put stop loss here, or as a safe side, if I have the risk capacity, I will put stop loss here. Now let's take an example from chart itself. If you see, this is the double bottom pattern. Yes, it's not that much clear. Market move upside, took a support here, move upside, took a resistance here. This is the strong resistance area which I am marking here. Now whenever market moving downside, let's take an example here. Market opened actually at the 2nd November, market opened here itself flat and market move upside, create this double top pattern. It's not like market moved from downside to upside. At 2nd November, if you check the date here, at the 2nd November, market opened at this candle, moved upside, created the double bottom pattern. So where is my entry point? My entry point is at this zone, like my entry at this one, my stop loss is above this one. So there are, again, if I am proficient enough, then I will make entry at this position. Or what I will do, as a beginner, what you need to do is, once market break this one, always wait for one pullback. This is the pullback, and you can enter at this position and put stop loss below this one, above this one, here or here. And if you observe, and if you hold it for multiple times, or if you hold for for a long time, you will get enough rally from, if I measure in the amount, 39,800 to 39,590, means 39,600, which is almost 200 points rally, which is more than enough for our targets. That is the whole summary for the double bottom pattern. Hope you got my point and you are learning something new here. And the goal of these price actions to restrict our losses, as I am always saying from the first video. So without confirmation, multiple confirmation, do not trade. What is the multiple confirmation here? Market is facing resistance. Second confirmation is breaking the swing, and or what is the retest? This is also retest. Breaking the swing, pull back. If I mark correctly, breaking the swing, pull back, and again breaking. So I will make entry here, put stop loss here or somewhere around here. That's my entry point. Now in which time frame it will work? For the intraday, it will work 1 minute and 5 minutes, the best time frame for the working for the double top pattern. For the swing trading or for the long term trading, you can always check in the 1 day time frame. 10 minute and 15 minutes are also there, but 10 minute and 15 minute will confuse you. So it's better to look into 1 minute, 3 minute or 5 minute in the lower time frames. For swing trading, check the 1 minute. Hope you understand this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you so much.